guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lana, also known as Alondra, whichever one you prefer, you can call me. I know I've been gone for a while, but I don't know what to post. I work full-time. I'm in school full-time. And sometimes I literally don't know what to post, but I did want to jump on here and basically do this unboxing for you guys. I am super excited. Like when I say excited, excited. I have waited, well, I have waited pretty much a while to get a new phone. So if you guys can tell by the title, I am unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got the Max version. I got Pacific Blue, so I'm going to unbox and show you guys all the things and all the specs and everything. I'm not a tech person. I do like technology, but I'm not one of those people that know like every single detail. That's just not me. Hopefully one day I'll get there because I do buy a lot of stuff. I did go on Amazon and splurge on a few things. Not really splurge, but you know when you hit that Amazon, stuff, you just be clicking and buying. So that's what I was doing. If you guys like this hair, well, this is my hair. I should not say if you like this hair. If you guys want to see how I blow dry my hair or anything like that, let me know down below in the comments. And if you are getting a new iPhone or you do have an iPhone, what iPhone do you have? So first and foremost, let me just show you my phone first. So this is my phone. I have the iPhone XS. And I think I'm like, generations behind. Kind of, not really. But the phone is perfectly fine. Like, legit, perfectly fine. It has never cracked on me anything. The color is gold, which I really, really love. Gold is my favorite color. Legit favorite color. And I think it was just time to upgrade. I do have its lock case on here. It's just like this little pink ombre kind of case. And it's cute. I have like 40 other cases. So, but I just like how my phone looks, but I am super excited to be unboxing my new baby. Like when I say I'm so hyped, I'm so hyped, and I know you guys are probably like, it's just a phone, but it's not just a phone. Like when you get Apple products in general, you're just super excited. Like for me, I just unboxed I didn't unbox it really, I unboxed it to myself, my MacBook Pro 2020. So they coming out a new MacBook. I had got it when it first dropped, and I was pure excitement because it was my first ever laptop. But now I have a new iPhone, so I want to unbox it on here for you guys, just to give you guys, just for me to be able to see it, look back on it, and just to give you guys a little input on the phone itself, and to help someone else out. Like maybe you want this color, and you're just like, I don't know what this phone looks like, how big it is. My hands are pretty small. I'm a small gal. Is it gal or gal? I'm a small person. I'm 5'1" and a half, so 5'1" and a half, and I'm pretty small, literally. So yeah, I just can't wait to unbox it. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the box. Like, this is the box it came in. And I have my handy dandy little knife cutters. Let me just cut it. Oh, I'm so scared. Wow, I'm so scared to unbox it. If you guys hear like little stuff going on, I have an iPad and stuff, and sometimes it just goes off, So this is what you see when you open the box. And oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to put the box down. Oh, I'm literally gasping for air. So this is what it looks like. It is blue. If you guys cannot tell, I got the Pacific Blue color. And this baby is heavy. When I say heavy, this baby is heavy. I don't know if you guys have AT&T. I can show you guys my information, but it has like my number, so I know, because my boyfriend basically got the same exact phone. And this is heavy. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. This is what the box look like. And it's plastic film. So I'm just going to basically peel it. It has a little green thing. So I'm just going to peel it. Ooh, this is so satisfying. Ooh. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. So this is the phone looks like. Well, this is what the box looks like. I did get the Pacific Blue color Pro Max, like I said. And I did get it in, I think 128 gigabytes, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Let me check. I got it in, I need to wear glasses, so don't mind me. I got it in the Pacific Blue 128 gigabytes. I have the 64 gigabytes now, and I have never maxed out on it. I take a lot of pictures. I have like over 2,000 or so and a lot of videos, and I just feel like this is enough space for me. But this is what the box looks like. I like how it's black and it's thin. I feel like this is just so sleek. It is just so cute. What about it? Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like in the box. This is so cute. It's looking like it's graphite. Like it could be dark when you turn it, but it's really not. I'm happy I got this color. I was going to get the graphite color. Graphite, I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I was going to get the dark color. I changed my mind Oh my goodness. This is what the phone looks like. This is beautiful. When I say beautiful, this is legit beautiful. I can see fingerprints already coming on here, but it's fine. I'm going to put a case on here anyway. So I'm just going to sit this down. I will bring it up closer so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm going to basically just sit this down, and we're going to go what's inside the box. So you get the normal stuff. I hope my camera's picking up and my lights are not too bright. But you get the normal stuff in here. And this is a new charger. I don't know what it's called. USB to C lightning bolt. I think that's what it's called. But basically, I would do like a little close-up, but that's what it looks like. This is what the charger looks like. It's a whatever. It's a charger. And then you get the little pamphlet that just says designed by Apple in California. You get instructions. You get a SIM card. You also get a sticker. My MacBook came with 2 stickers. I have every box that every phone I ever have, and I pretty much keep all my stickers. I find them that they're just so cute and nostalgic, and they're just something like you just keep. Though I'm never going to use them, that's just something that I would just personally just keep because they're just like, you know, I collect Apple stickers. I don't know. I just find it really cute. I like how they give it to you. And then it comes with like a little SIM card holder. Like, let's take off the film. Oh, I am so happy. Like, this is so nice. This is legit so nice. I'm scared to drop it, so I'm legit trying to hold it for dear life. But this is so nice. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to show you guys like what my phone looks like compared to it or whatnot. And then I'm going to bring you guys closer so you guys can see like me do all the other stuff that I have. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I could not think. This is my iPhone XS. So this is legit small compared to this. Like, I'm not sure if I'm ready to like have a big phone, but this is what it looks like side by side, and it is small. But I like how it has like the square edges. It reminds me of the iPhone 6, not 6S, 4S. I like how it has the little square size more than the round one. Is actually a better grip. I feel like I'll be safe when I'm wearing a case. This fingerprints, but I have fingerprints on the back of this phone also, so I guess it's not a big deal. And I always put cases on my phone, but this is a baby. Like, I love my phone, and my favorite color is gold, but legit, I can like, hello, who is this? Like, that's how I feel at this moment, and this is just so nice. So I'm gonna put it down, and then I'm gonna bring you guys closer in a minute. so I'm back after transferring everything. Right now it's still transferring. I could not log into my Apple ID, so I legit had to figure that out. But lo and behold, my password's right the whole time. I had to get off Wi-Fi. So that's very interesting. All my stuff is downloading. If you guys want to see like what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max now, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys like videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. I can always do what's on my iPhone. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.